The wind just picked up with there. There's a lot of leaves blowing around. This is like the last of the tropical storm. They said, wow, all those leaves falling down. Oh, lightning. September 8th, 2023, lightning. Well, there is supposed to be a storm coming through, everybody. It's starting to rain, yeah. Like they said, yay. Like we need it. What time is it? Wish I got it before this weekend. Well, Lew and I are just watching movies here. Everybody.
Hey, Cynthia.
And I wanted to catch that big whirlwind that just blew against the window here. That was awesome, seeing that gush of wind.
Yeah, I could not noticing that big.
All right. Well, thank you for watching, everybody.